Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone must host the active WhatsApp account and be reachable. Once done, open WhatsApp on the phone and the target device, desktop app, or browser. Make sure both devices have reliable internet. Unstable networks break the link. On the phone, tap Menu or Settings, Linked Devices. Tap Link a device to start a secure scan. This step initiates the only supported flow to attach another device, while preserving messages, and now continue by displaying the QR code on the device you want to link. On the phone's Linked Devices screen, select Link a Device. The camera view opens. Point the phone camera at the QR shown on the desktop or secondary device until it scans. Once scanned, WhatsApp authenticates keys and begins syncing chats. Make sure you accept prompts and verify the device name so you recognize the session. If you need archived chats, confirm sync options immediately after linking. Finish by waiting for the initial sync to complete. Messages and recent media appear first, and older files download afterward. Once linked, you can name the session and review active device list on the phone to manage or remove sessions. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: rescan the QR only after ensuring the phone's clock is accurate and camera permissions are granted. If scans repeatedly fail, restart both apps and retry. This resolves most transient authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.